I am going to take over Qatar.
Wait a minute. Is that? Oh no. It's a sandstorm. Watch out.
Then let's get back to the car. There's a sandstorm approaching. We got to get out of here now.
Hello.
Hey, has anyone brought something to drink during this trip?
Oh, not really, I forgot.
Well, I didn't brought it. I thought you have it, Boris Animate.
I guess now we have to handle without water. Hopefully we're not gonna dehydrate in the middle of the desert.
Looks like there is a sandstorm over here. Yeah now, we're going to have to warn them.
Wait, what is going on?
There is a sandstorm, everyone, we need to go back now. Okay, we need to go back.
Uh-oh.
Hey, what am I doing here in Qatar? I am supposed to eat my potatoes off. Oh my god, I am inside the sandstorm, someone help me.
Yes, I took over Qatar now. I am the most powerful sandstorm in the world.
Oh no. We're not gonna make it, Boris Animate.
Oh no, we are inside the sandstorm.
Sandstorm.
Come on, drive faster. The sandstorm is getting closer.
I am trained.
Good, now I took everything over.
Oh no, we're inside the sandstorm.
Don't worry. I'm just can shadow the range until sandstorm is over.
Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. This is breaking GNN news. There was a powerful sandstorm in Qatar located in the Arabian Peninsula has recently moved across parts of the country, creating hazardous environmental conditions, reduced visibility, and temporary health concerns due to heavy airborne dust. Emergency services quickly responded to assist residents, and while strong winds caused dangerous flying debris and disruptions, the situation is now improving as the storm slowly begins to weaken. Officials emphasized that the city remains safe, with no major structural destruction reported, and recovery efforts are already underway. Let's talk to the reporter that is in Doha right now.
Hello, this is from Doha. In a shocking development, authorities have identified the person responsible for triggering this disaster. Reports confirm that a man named Dave Johnson allegedly created the sandstorm using a giant mechanical fan in the desert. Law enforcement officials state that he will soon be taken into custody to face serious charges related to the incident. For now, everything will recover at the moment. We will send you more updates soon.
Oh well. That sound really deadly than I thought. Anyways, that is it for GNN News. See you in the next up.